Yes, yes, yes. Can we all be honest as beings of this world, as living beings of this world, with two legs, two hands, and a head? We are not alone in this universe. Whoever is doing research and feeding us misinformation, we are not alone in this universe. There are types of creatures of this universe. You have the four-legged types, the humanoids, the insectoids that are humanoids, the animal type that is humanoid. We are not alone. Some of us are limited psychologically, are limited spiritually, are limited. But there are things that control this planet. Whether you call them the Anunnaki, whether you call them the what, they control this planet and our governments. They hide in plain sight. We are their servants. We are their slaves. We are their properties. You know, there are star beings that come. There are special stones that they are used that are out here to create images. There are people who made with these beings from other galaxies, from other planets, the star elders, who knows who feed some of us, the solar system, the history of the solar system, and mankind in itself. But there are many versions of this story. The star beings have been here ever since the earth was barren rock. They've been here when mankind was created, and have been here throughout his evolution. There's humankind that's been here, and there's another humankind that has been created. The first humankind has been here through evolution, and the other ones was created by the star beings. That's why we find people missing. People go missing around the world, the planet. Some disappear, and the next thing they have hybrid children with these star beings. And these star beings have been guiding humankind, and some have misled humankind. They've always been here because many of them, their lifespan is about 2,000 years, 3,000 years, around those ages. You know the story of the planet. Have you read the book by Robert Morningstar, The Terra Paper? The genes of Isis, Genesis, the genes of Isis. It says the explosion rocked the nothingness of the void. Primordial essence was thrown violently outwards, like the primeval ocean, wave after wave crashed out into the black pit of the void. Nothingness beheld chaos, chaos poured out into nothingness. As the primeval waters streamed outwards, rivers of the dark essence swelled together, forming huge whirlpools. As the whirlpools spun inwards, the essence condensed into clouds of gas, superheated from the compression forced into the core after explosion, formed enormous balls of fire. Supernovas of brilliant red dwarf stars of glazing blue, like islands in the waters of essence. The stars formed from the swells in the spinning galaxies. Time after time, the process was repeated in the void. Time after time, a galaxy was born. In time, one of these galaxies will come to be known as Eridanus, our galaxy. This is a history of one small part of Eridanus and tiny world known as the Earth. In the swelling primordial waters of Eridanus, many of the stars gave birth to worlds of their own. From the gases and dust thrown out from the suns, the planets condensed and cooled. Elemental gases combined to form moisture. The rain fell to form oceans. Thunderstorms raged, the oceans tossed and turned, crashed on the shores of the surface lands. In the midst of the lightning and fury, a single spark flashed, single-celled life forms combined to create multiple-celled creatures. We are born from the rock, from some organic form of life. That's where we are all born from. Single-celled formed combined, creating in 1 microsecond single life cell of life. Single-celled life forms combine to create multi-celled creatures. Multi-celled creatures became complex beings with billions of cells, fishes, the insects, the birds, reptiles, plants, and mammals, as many different creatures as there are stars in the galaxy, came into existence. In time, humanoids evolved. Fish humanoids, bird humanoids, reptile humanoids, mammal humanoids, and humanoids of every kind became the consistent outcome of evolution.